Now that's what I'm talking about. What is Dat Dog? According to their website, Dat Dog is a place where amazing and affordable food, fun-loving staff, and bright colors provide you with a sanctuary of joy from the moment you cross its threshold. Combining the soul of Louisiana with the sophistication of Europe, Dat Dog's artfully crafted cuisine of hot dogs, sausages, including vegetarian, vegan, and fish, and I'll go ahead and add alligator, burgers and chicken, fried, grilled, or tossed in buffalo sauce, are a thing of beauty. The over 30 toppings available at no extra charge allow you to create your very own jazz improvisation in a bun. There are 3 locations: Magazine Street, Ferret Street, and Frenchman Street. I visited the Magazine Street location. Some of the house specials include the Jimmy Chicago Dog, which is made with a Vienna all-beef frank, sweet relish, onions, tomatoes, sport peppers, a dill pickle spear, celery salt, and yellow mustard. And the Irish Channel Dog, which is made with Irish Guinness sausage, andouille sauce, onions, shredded cheddar cheese, bacon, and yellow mustard. They also have an Eat Fit menu with healthier options. There's also the option to build your own dog. You can choose your own type of sausage with the toppings of your choice. The options include barbecue sauce, tartar sauce, blackberry sauce, tomatoes, crawfish etouffee, andouille sauce, blue cheese crumbles, nana slaw, pico de gallo, and dat sauce. There are many more options. They also have veggie dogs and a variety of tater tots and fries. I created my own dog and ordered Italian sausage topped with barbecue sauce, Chicago-style sweet relish, raw onions, and sour cream. It was so delicious. Even though they have a unique variety of tots and fries to choose from, I went ahead and got the regular fries. They were pretty good, crispy the way that I like them as well. Another thing that I need to mention is the hot dog bun. It is very tasty. The bun is very soft, and to me it tastes a tad sweet. It adds to the overall savoriness. Thanks so much for your time and attention. Be blessed.